For so many financial services companies, utilizing Tally software is a huge relief. Tally application is capable of data storage and processing with convenience. This software is widely known among accountancy firms for the very purpose. While using Tally software, a person can manage numerous tasks that seem to challenge when done by hand. Transferring Excel data into Tally is one of the functions conducted by Tally software. Guides in the preparation of each year's entries, such as maintenance costs. Aids in the management of large volumes of sales, purchases, and other transactions. Regulate and observes the entries that repeat at a set frequency. Having to import various statements is made simpler with this program. Transporting transactions from some other software system is made simpler with this tool.
Go over to Gateway of Tally F12, Configuration Product and Features F4 to configure your TDL file.
Once you have configured the add-on file, go to Tally's Gateway and select one. Import. Please copy the data path of the Excel file that requires to be transported into Tally in the name of the folder box on this section. After you have decided to enter the data transmission, you will be allowed to have the next page. Just after data has been imported, the sales entries page is presented in the Excel format that the user desires. The batch share of sales records will also be displayed.